I think I'm gonna cut her. She's like staked up in here all kind of ways, but I'm thinking about cutting her like right here at this node, and putting her into another part. What do you think? I'm just gonna unhinge her from the others. Give her a cut. See how this goes. Sheesh. Well, part of me wanted to cut another part of her off, but I don't know if I should or not. I don't want to just whack her. I just want her to sit up better. I still want her to be full, but I know she'll like come back full. I guess I probably wound up giving these away though in hindsight, because what am I going to do with like so many Monstera plants? Cut her off, but I feel like she's gonna have a leaf baby soon, so why cut it? The goal here is just to pretty much try to stand all of them up as much as possible. That's all I'm trying to do, is just keep them standing. Not too tight. Try to be loose as possible. Like one day I'll stake up a plant, and then like the next day I'll be like, why did I stake that plant like that? Okay, so this is the final results. Da, 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 da. I think I'm gonna make this the front of it, because you know, I don't know.
2 hours later.
My cuttings, honestly, they've been cut probably for like 3-4 hours. So I'm gonna pot these up in this pot that I got. One of those is trying to work. I'm gonna put them in here. It should work. I hope it works. So I have some regular and real potting soil. Yeah. Talk about me in the comments, why don't you? But I'm not going to use a lot, alright? I'm going to use this medium amount. I'm also going to use some orchard bark. Majority. I was trying to save this little bit of perlite that I got left, but I'll probably just get some more tomorrow. But I'm going to use the rest of this up in here. Looks good. And get my switching stick. This is like my good luck stick. I use this to mix up all my little mixes. It's my good luck. My bewitching stick. Okay, so that's the outcome. What do you think? Okay. So now I got my tray. Turn it around so you can see what was originally in there. Fill the bottom. To do with one hand sometimes. Really like get it all around them to like support them as much as possible without having to use a stake. I mean, I don't mind using a stake. I'm not going to use a stake. Okay. Okay. Yes, I am pressing it down. I don't know if you're supposed to do that or not, but I'll be doing it. Not real hard, but we just want them to stay in place. About too much leakage. Dirt to settle all around the pot. I done shook Shorty down. Okay, now at this point, usually I'm going to run some water through there and then I'm going to sit up. I'm going to give her some water and then I'm going to sit her right where she needs to be.